So this is a 4.3 Vortec engine V6 inside of my 94 C 1500 work truck. It's running strong. So you know how the old folks say, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So my goal is to restore it, keep it good and up and going. If anything happened to it, goes bad on the engine, then I will replace it with a 350. But right now we're gonna keep this Vortec in there and we're gonna utilize it and utilize it and utilize it. But it is a solid work truck. So my goal is to actually get it off the ground, get some money with it, and actually give it to my son as an inheritance of his first work truck to get some money with. And also to drive back and forth to school, you know, and it'll be dope to have a classic. So my goal is to get it good and up and going for him, and where he can kill several birds with one stone, get some money with it, drive around in it, you know, all that good stuff. But I think that's what we should do, man. We should think about utilizing old things and teaching our kids how to make money and how to turn something old into something new, you know. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm actually just sitting out here getting a couple things done and just reflecting and getting some rest too, because I've been on that road. So I'm just got a lot of things on my mind that I'm trying to get accomplished. So today I'm actually just going over the truck, getting my punch list on some things that I got to take care of. But my goal is to give Mr. Fred to my son, you know, to restore it, get some money in it, and that way when he get ready to make some money or to have his first solid vehicle, he have a money maker. Because I think that's how we're gonna win. We spend a lot of money on things and we don't spend our money on things that could actually help us make money. Now you got the investors and the cryptocurrency and everybody trying to get you to go this way or this way. But I'm gonna tell you one thing that never fails: work ethics. Starting from a $500 truck to buying used tools to owning a crew to having a team. That's what it's about. But you got to start from somewhere. And you got to have a vision, and you're going to have to put in the hard work. So that's my goal with my work truck, is actually restore it, get it up and going, utilize it, and once that time comes, pass it down to my son and the Lord's will. So just wanted to share that with you. Like I say, today I'm actually just getting a couple things lined out and letting it run, and like I say, building my punch list. But we have to start from somewhere, family. So I think it's very important that we will use old things and turn them into new things. Hold on. She running. Sound good.